Welcome to our channel, darlings. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of astrology to uncover the top 3 zodiac signs practically destined for major success. Now, whether you read your horoscope religiously or just glance at it for a giggle over your morning cuppa, you can't deny the allure of the zodiac. We're talking ambition, drive, and that special something that sets these signs apart. Is it their unwavering determination? A touch of cosmic favor? We'll spill the celestial tea in just a tick. So, whether you're a die-hard astrology enthusiast or simply curious to see if your sign made the cut, grab a biscuit, settle in, and let's unlock the secrets of the stars together. First up, we have the determined Capricorn, ruling the zodiac from December 22nd to January 19th. These individuals are often seen as the backbone of any group or organization they are part of. Now, these folks are the epitome of ambition, always striving for the peak, much like a mountain goat scaling, well, a mountain. Their drive is relentless and their focus is unwavering. Capricorns are known for their incredible discipline and a strong sense of responsibility. They take their commitments seriously and are often the ones you can rely on in times of need. They're not afraid of hard work, in fact, they embrace it. Whether it's a physical challenge or a mental one, Capricorns dive in headfirst, ready to tackle whatever comes their way. Give a Capricorn a challenging task, and they'll roll up their sleeves, put their heads down, and get it done with a quiet determination that's frankly awe-inspiring. Their work ethic is second to none. They're not ones for shortcuts or quick fixes. They understand that true success comes from consistent effort and perseverance. Oh no, Capricorns believe in earning their success, step by steady step. They take pride in their journey, and the lessons learned along the way. They're masters of long-term planning, carefully strategizing their moves like a chess grandmaster plotting their next checkmate. Every decision is calculated and thought out. And speaking of strategy, Capricorns are incredibly practical and grounded. They have a knack for seeing the bigger picture and making decisions that benefit them in the long run. They're not swayed by fleeting trends or get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, they focus on sustainable growth and stability. They'd rather invest their time and energy in building a solid foundation for lasting success. This meticulous approach ensures that their achievements are built to last. This practicality, combined with their sharp intellect, makes them naturals in fields like business, finance, and law. They excel in environments where their analytical skills can shine. They excel in leadership roles, inspiring their teams with their quiet confidence and unwavering work ethic. Their ability to lead by example is truly remarkable, but it's not all work and no play for these ambitious souls. Capricorns know the importance of balance and make time for their personal interests and hobbies. Capricorns also have a dry wit and a wicked sense of humor that emerges when you least expect it. Their humor is often subtle but always impactful. They're loyal friends and fiercely protective of their loved ones, offering unwavering support and a listening ear. Their loyalty is one of their most endearing qualities. So, there you have it, our first contender for Zodiac Superstar, the ambitious, disciplined, and utterly unstoppable Capricorn. Their journey to the top is a testament to their resilience and determination. Next up, let's turn our attention to the radiant Leo, gracing us with their presence from July 23rd to August 22nd. Now, if Capricorns are the quietly determined climbers, Leos are the ones confidently striding towards success, a spotlight naturally following their every move. Leos are natural-born leaders, oozing charisma and radiating a warmth that draws people in. They light up a room with their infectious energy and possess a confidence that's both captivating and inspiring. These lions are passionate and determined, always aiming for the stars. They're not afraid to dream big, in fact, they revel in it. Leos are visionaries, able to see the potential where others might only see obstacles. And when it comes to pursuing their goals, Leos are fearless. They tackle challenges head-on, their optimism and unwavering self-belief fueling their every move. Setbacks? Mere stepping stones on their path to greatness. This unwavering spirit, combined with their natural charm and ability to inspire, makes them natural leaders. They excel in fields like entertainment, politics, entrepreneurship, and of course, management. Leos are masters of networking, effortlessly connecting with people from all walks of life. Their genuine warmth and ability to make others feel seen and valued create a loyal following that often contributes to their success. But don't mistake their confidence for arrogance. Leos are incredibly generous and big-hearted, always willing to share their success with those around them. They're loyal friends, fiercely protective of their loved ones, and always up for a good time. So there you have it. The radiant, charismatic, and utterly unstoppable Leo, shining brightly on their path to success. Leos thrive in the limelight, their confidence and charm making them natural performers. They are also great mentors, always ready to guide and support others on their journey. Their achievements are often celebrated by those around them, as their success is seen as a collective victory. Leos are also known for their philanthropic efforts, always looking for ways to give back to the community. They know how to enjoy the finer things in life, treating themselves to well-deserved luxuries. Despite their love for the spotlight, Leos also value moments of solitude and reflection. They constantly seek self-improvement, always striving to be the best version of themselves. Family and friends are their greatest treasures, and they cherish every moment spent with them. With their unwavering determination and boundless energy, Leos are always ready to embark on new adventures. So here's to the Leos, the radiant lions ruling the jungle of success, always shining brightly and leading the way. And finally, we arrive at the enigmatic Scorpio, casting their spell on the Zodiac from October 23rd to November 21st. This period marks the reign of one of the most intense and mysterious signs in the Zodiac. Now these folks are the deep thinkers of the Zodiac, known for their intensity, strategic minds, and a quiet power that commands attention. Their presence is often felt even before they speak, as their aura exudes a magnetic and compelling energy. Scorpios possess an almost uncanny ability to understand the world around them. They are natural analysts, always observing and absorbing information, which they then use to navigate their environment with precision. They see beneath the surface, perceiving motivations and deciphering complexities that often elude others. This ability to read between the lines makes them excellent problem solvers and truth seekers. This depth of perception, combined with their sharp intellect, makes them formidable strategists. Whether in a game of chess or a high-stakes business meeting, Scorpios are always several steps ahead, planning their moves with meticulous care. They're not afraid to delve into the unknown, to explore the depths of their own psyche and the complexities of the world. This willingness to confront the unknown often leads them to profound insights and discoveries. This fearlessness, coupled with their natural curiosity, often leads them to success in fields like research, psychology, and finance. They thrive in environments where they can dig deep and uncover hidden truths. Scorpios are incredibly resourceful and resilient. They have an innate ability to find solutions where others see only obstacles, and their determination is unmatched. They possess an inner strength that allows them to overcome challenges and emerge from setbacks even stronger. This resilience is a hallmark of their character, enabling them to face adversity with unwavering resolve. They're not ones to be deterred by obstacles. Instead, they view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Each challenge is a stepping stone, a chance to refine their skills and enhance their understanding. This ability to transform and adapt, combined with their unwavering focus, makes them natural entrepreneurs. They are adept at navigating the ever-changing landscape of business, always ready to pivot and innovate. They're not afraid to take risks, to trust their instincts and forge their own path. This boldness often leads them to groundbreaking achievements and unique ventures. But it's not all business and intensity with these enigmatic souls. Scorpios know how to balance their intense drive with moments of relaxation and enjoyment, indulging in hobbies and activities that bring them joy. Scorpios are also incredibly passionate and loyal, forming deep connections with those they allow into their inner circle. Their relationships are marked by a profound sense of trust and mutual respect. They're fiercely protective of their loved ones, offering unwavering support and a listening ear. Their loyalty is unshakable, and they will go to great lengths to ensure the well-being of those they care about. So, there you have it. The strategic, resourceful, and utterly unstoppable Scorpio, navigating the waters of achievement with their signature depth and determination. Their journey is one of constant evolution, marked by a relentless pursuit of excellence and a profound understanding of the world around them. Well, there you have it, our top 3 zodiac signs destined for major success. From the strategic Scorpio to the radiant Leo and the ambitious Capricorn, these signs remind us that the stars hold a unique power, influencing our paths and shaping our destinies. But remember, astrology is just a guide. Success ultimately comes down to hard work, determination, and a sprinkle of cosmic luck. So whether your sign made the list or not, never underestimate the power of your own potential. Now we want to hear from you. Do you agree with our list? Let us know in the comments below which zodiac sign you think is the most successful. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more astrological insights and other exciting content.